Good morning to my second grade class. Hello, families. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020, 3/24/20. All right, so I wanted to kind of go over what the day looks like and touch on a couple of things from yesterday. You should be still working on this sheet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last week, 1 more yesterday. So you should have 2 more writing options available. So use those for today and tomorrow, whichever ones they are. You should have 2 more writing prompts before we move into the April writing prompt. This is still March. I'm trying to stretch that out as far as possible. Okay, so finish this one up today and tomorrow. Do your early bird work. All right, guys, so early bird and writing notebook. And then today we're going to be doing counting coins, solve it strip, and independent practice. So page 557 and 558. All right. And that is the independent practice from the lesson that you did yesterday. All right, so moving on into spelling. You guys are kind of on whichever words that was in your packet for this week. But I did want to show you guys something. So we're learning a new word and definition. So a homograph is words that sound different but have the same spelling. So we discovered this. So on one of your word sorts, either this week or last week, you're in the air family. So pear, wear, tear, bear. Okay, so pay careful attention to this one, tear, spelled T-E-A-R. Okay, but then there's another where I can't see about. Oh, right there. It's spelled the same, T-E-A-R, but it's tear. Tear, so tear and tear. So 2 words that sound the same, that sound different, but that are spelled the same are homographs. All right, so we learned a new word today. All right, so just keep working through your spelling. I did want to notate on this. There's always more of these word sort words than there are spelling words. Okay, so for this week there are 15, and last week there were 15. But normally when we do this at school on Mondays, this is full. This one was a little short too, but we always have more of our word sort words than we do our spelling words. I usually just pick out 15 or whatever number that we're working with for that week, but I always stop at 15, okay? There's gonna be some weeks coming up over the next few weeks that we have just 12 words, okay? And that's all that's in the word sort. So, there's always more words in the word sort, but we stick to our spelling words, the ones that are on these pages for your spelling test, okay? And then another thing is, guys, parents and family members, you don't need to worry about grading any of the work, okay? You're just gonna put everything back in the packet for that week, and then Miss Marandino and I will do all of that. All right, so you don't need to worry about grading anything. let's see. You are going to be hunting for verbs today. All right. Remember, a verb is an action word. So you're going to be underlining your action words and finding them in your word find. And then the reading comp for today is Hannah's Crayons. So again, you're going to be underlining the evidence in your text with your different color codes. And then you're going to be doing the true and false. All right. So for your science today, so yesterday you filled out your application for your, sorry, I'm skipping through here. Where is my application? Your application, I may have moved it, for to be a paper airplane pilot. All right, so you filled that out on Monday. Today, you're going to be taking those 2 color pieces of paper and you're going to be first writing a secret message on each of those papers using your secret code sheet. Okay? So writing a secret message using your secret code sheet. And you're going to be folding your airplanes. You can fold them both the same. Here's a sheet that has some directions for just a basic. But you can also get online and you can look at a second way that's different than the first way that you fold your paper, and you can make 2 different airplanes. You can either make 2 of the same, or you can make 2 different. All right? So, and then on Wednesday, you are going to be doing your flight test. So you're going to be drawing your blueprint of where you're going to be flying your planes, kind of like a map, where you're going to be flying your planes. And then you're going to be testing both of them. So for trial 1, you're going to write the distance for plane 1 and plane 2. Trial 2, the distance for plane 1, plane 2. Plane 1, plane 2, all the way to the 4th trial. Okay? And then you're going to answer your questions. Okay? So this is on Wednesday. And then you will have completed your science packet for the week when you're finished with this. All right? But have fun with it, you guys. So, you know, it's fun to get online, and there's lots and lots of YouTube videos on all different kinds of ways that you can fold paper airplanes. So even if you wanted to extend this to Thursday and Friday and you wanted to try a new airplane design, you know, just kind of have fun with it and take it where you'd like to go. And if you want to extend it past the trial flight for Wednesday, you guys are welcome to do that, okay? All right, so I think that is it for the work for today. I did put out that message yesterday saying that we are just making the decision to not worry about the math logs, because the big incentive to that was that Miss Marandino is the prize queen of all OLG, and she has everything that you could possibly want as a prize. And so she took it upon herself to do the math logs and to give award as an incentive prizes on Fridays for students who completed their math log. But because there's really no way for us to get those prizes to you guys, we are not going to worry about doing math logs. But I really want you guys to continue, you know, practicing your math facts. You're doing the Solve It sheets each day, but you can still get on IXL and you can still practice, okay? Because it's never practice. You never have too much practice with your math facts because it just helps you out later. So continue on with that. and when we get back to school, we'll pick up on the prizes, okay? And I think that you should be, there hasn't been any kind of information announced, but I know that the governor extended the time to the 15th of May. So I've worked all day yesterday, and I'm going to be working today on getting packets together for you guys for the next few weeks, okay, to get us through to May 15th. I'm hoping to have all that done hopefully by Wednesday, and then we need to figure out a plan on getting the packets back for week 1 and 2. So we may need to do this on Friday at some point, but we'll discuss it. I mean, I'll send out a message, but we need to get back the packets for as much as possible for weeks 1 and 2. Maybe you could just keep the Friday work for that day if you haven't completed it by the time we do our exchange. And then, because I need to use that information to fill out progress notes, and then we can deliver and exchange and do the packets for the remaining of the time until the 15th. All right, so that's the plan on my end, is to get all of that together for you guys so you have it. But I'm sure that we will be updated from our principal, and you guys will get those messages as well, just as soon as they have formalized all of that. All right, so you guys have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow. All right, take care. Bye-bye.